Hey, do you want to make $100 a day online? Even if you're in Pakistan, India, or Bangladesh and you have zero experience? Then stop scrolling right now. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you 3 real websites where beginners like you are earning daily in 2025. No degree, no fancy skills required. Let's jump in. First up is rapidworkers.com. Think of Rapid Workers as the ultimate microtask site. You get paid to do simple online jobs, testing websites, liking YouTube videos, signing up for free accounts, stuff anyone can do. Each task pays anywhere from 20 cents to $2. If you hustle and do 50 or more tasks a day, you can hit $20 to $50 without breaking a sweat. No long approvals, no complicated setups. It's perfect for students or anyone getting started. Just make sure you're choosing verified, legit tasks to avoid any scams. Now let's talk about Fiverr, but with a twist. Create a free Fiverr profile and use ChatGPT to power up your gigs. Offer things like writing product descriptions, Instagram captions, or even YouTube scripts. Don't stress about your writing skills. Let ChatGPT handle the heavy lifting. Set your gig price anywhere from $5 to $20. Deliver quality work fast and keep the profits. Pro tip: learn a bit of Fiverr SEO so your gigs show up for buyers. Third, check out Amazon merch. Here's how it works. Upload t-shirt or hoodie designs. Amazon prints, ships, and delivers everything for you. You earn passive royalties every time someone buys your design. Not a designer? No worries. Use Canva for free to make simple quotes or cool artwork. The more designs you upload, the better your chances of earning. And here's my bonus tip. Pick just one of these methods. Stick with it for 7 days, even if you only earn $10 on your first day. Consistency beats speed. That first dollar is your proof this works. If this helped you out, hit like. Drop your country in the comments. I'd love to know where you're watching from. And subscribe for weekly videos on making money online in 2025. Good luck and start earning.